So guys, after you've finished signing somebody up in 60 seconds here, you click on I agree, and then the next screen that pops up is this here, right? Reserve a hotspot, that button in red, click that one. You want to make sure you reserve your hotspots. All of your affiliates have them join and register the hotspot. So you're going to put in the user ID, or which is the email, and then the password. Okay, so you've entered in the email and password. Click log in. This is logging you into your back office. And if the screen doesn't pop up right away to initially reserve your hotspot, it should be name, address. You do that for free. There's no credit card information that needs to go in. In case it doesn't, on the menu on the left-hand side, you'll see reserve a hotspot right there. Yep, about 3 down. And then this is the information you're going to put in: name, an address, the shipping address. You're going to click the 5 different agree boxes and then reserve the hotspot. Super fast, very simple, and make sure all of your affiliates do this. And then once your hotspot in, this has been the biggest challenge, right? Everybody's jumping on this deal like crazy, so there's been just a mass order and back order of these hotspots. But we're getting them out as quickly as we can. Obviously, the company wants people with hotspots and mining because they earn money off of that too. So we want to get these out as fast as possible. So that is the goal. But make sure all your affiliates reserve a hotspot. After you've reserved your hotspot, you will sign up for Helium Track, which we will show you on another video.